If you have just completed your 10th or 12th and are still deciding on a career, we have created a Google form for you. Make sure to start preparing by mid-2025 and aim to complete these tests by December 2025 at the latest. Hello and welcome to Study HQ. If you are an Indian student or a parent planning for a master's in the US for fall 2025 or spring 2026, then this video is for you. But before we start, if you have just completed your 10th or 12th and are still deciding on a career, we have created a Google form for you. So fill out the form and we'll send you a complete roadmap to your future career. Now, we'll walk you through every step of the application process, from eligibility and timelines to standardized tests, documentation and visa requirements, so you never miss an opportunity due to lack of information. So stay with us to get the facts you need to make the right decision at the right time. First, let's talk about who can apply and how to choose the right program. Most universities look for a 4 years bachelor's degree or equivalent with a decent GPA, around 3.0 on a 4.0 scale. Most competitive exams may look for higher. Now comes the most important part. What do you actually want to study? Ask yourself, what are you passionate about? Data science, engineering, public health, MBA? What are your long-term goals? Do you want to go into research or jump straight into industry? When shortlisting programs, don't just chase the brand name. Look at the course structure and electives, faculty expertise and research, career support, internships, alumni connections, costs, scholarships, and even the city's lifestyle and job market. All these elements shape your experience more than just a ranking. This is the part where you need to get a head start. For most programs, GRE is common. For business and MBA related programs, GMAT is a must. Also, English language proficiency is a must. IELTS score of 6.5 to 7.0 or TOEFL score of 90 plus. Make sure to start preparing by mid-2025 and aim to complete these tests by December 2025 at the latest. That gives you enough time for retakes if needed and submit your scores right before deadlines. Application documents. Now let's talk paperwork, and this is where most applicants feel overwhelmed, but I'll simplify it for you. Statement of purpose. This is your pitch. Talk about your journey, what motivates you, and why this program is your next step. Keep it program specific. Letters of recommendation. You'll usually need 2 to 3. Choose people, professors, mentors, project managers, or who know your work and can vouch for your potential. Resume. Update it with all relevant projects, internships, research, or publications. Keep it clean and achievement focused. Transcripts. From all colleges attended, translated into English if needed. Some programs might ask for portfolios or additional essays. Treat your application like a personal brand representation. Deadlines and planning your timeline. This is where a lot of students miss out. So here's how to stay ahead. For fall 2026 intake, expect early deadlines around October to November 2025 and regular ones until January 2026. For spring 2026, deadlines typically fall between July and September 2025. Some programs follow rolling admissions, so applying early can get you early results. If interviews are part of the process, expect those to happen between January to March 2025. Plan backwards from your deadline. Give yourself at least 3 to 4 months for preparation. Funding and scholarships. Let's be real, studying abroad is expensive, but the good news is there's funding available if you plan right. Many universities offer merit-based scholarships and fellowships. STEM and research-heavy programs often offer assistantships that cover tuition plus stipend. And don't forget external scholarships like Fulbright, Tata Trust and Inlux Foundation. Also, you'll need to show your proof of funds. This means bank statements, sponsorships or affidavits, not just for your scholarships but also for your student visa. And yes, once you're on campus, you can start working for up to 20 hours per week part-time to support your living expenses. Visa process and pre-departure checklist. Last but super important, your F1 visa. Once you're accepted, your university will issue Form I-20. Pay the Sevais fee, book your visa interview at your nearest US consulate, and prepare the following documents: a valid passport, I-20 and admission letter, financial proof, and SOP copy. Practice your visa interview answers. Be honest, clear, and confident. After approval, book your flights, arrange housing early. On campus gets filled very quickly. Get ready for orientation and your exciting new life ahead. Yes, the application process might look long, but it's manageable if you follow the right timeline and are informed. If you have just cleared your boards and are confused about your career path, don't forget to fill out the career discovery form I mentioned in the beginning. For those ready to begin their master's applications, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check the link in the description to get detailed checklists, personalized supports and free strategy sessions. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.